What I have right here is a really cool instant camera for kids. It actually is an instant camera that comes with all the paper and extra paper rolls. You can almost print out close to 400 pictures, images that your kids will be able to take with this little camera. Haven't used it yet. I know what it's all about, of course, but I wanted to show you how to basically first set it up. I want you to see at the bottom here, you've got a little flap, and it's a really nice little flap that kind of protects the connection. The connection is a USB-C cable in there, or an input for charging this camera. The cable comes with the package. So they do include the USB-C to USB-A cable. They also include a really cool strap, and I like the strap because you have a little press down button right here to take off this, or to take it off and to kind of like separate it, because this could actually strap on to the camera here, and then you'd have it kind of like a little belt buckle, right? A little loop. So it kind of reminds you of a keychain. But if you want to have this around your neck, I could actually have this around my neck like this, and then simply press, put that inside, and you just press, and it's on right now. So next time I want to take pictures or I want to carry it, if I'm traveling, if if your kids are traveling and want to keep their cameras with them at all time, boom, they can have it. And if they need to take it off, they just press that little button and the camera can come off. That's so cool. So such a good idea, right? So as previously said, it comes with the paper roll already inside the camera, and they even give you 2 more rolls, which is a great thing, and it's so easy to replace as well. So let's talk about what you do for the first time that you actually get the camera. Of course, charge it. It comes with a little bit of a charge, but I would recommend to charge it for half an hour to make sure you get a full charge on that. And then we're going to talk about, actually, let me talk about that right now because it's pretty exciting. I wasn't expecting this. This is a photo camera, but it also can do video, 1080p video. So you're getting HD video into a little kid toy camera kind of thing. It's not really a toy anymore, right? And they do provide you with, check this out, they even thought of that. There is a 32 gigabyte flash card in here, so they could have, your kids could have their videos on there. They could shoot family moments or travel moments and put that on that flash card. It also has an MP3 function if they want to add music to this as well, which is really nice. Now, let's look at that big screen. I'm going to turn it on. So how to turn it on? Right there, you've got the power on button. And then the screen turns on, and right away you've got a menu. And on the menu, it's very, very simple. You've got photo, video, MP3, like we talked about. You've got a playback screen, so if they want to watch their videos back, you can watch the video back right on the screen, which is cool. And then they even have a possibility of uploading games on this. And I just want to see, it's really cool, like the way you can navigate. Very easy to press buttons. Perfect for kids, little kids, bigger kids, really no problems whatsoever. And there you go. There's already preloaded games on this. So that's also cool. If they're stuck in the car, kind of bored, maybe in line somewhere, and they're not taking pictures or videos, well, they can play a game right then and there. That's awesome. So let's exit from that game. So cool. Perfect. We go back to the menu, and I'm going to start taking pictures, and I want to see the quality of the printing picture. But before I even do that, let me turn it off again. Just press the power button, power off button. Same power button will turn off the machine. And then there are arrows here on this side, right? And what it is basically to open this camera. This camera doesn't open like this, but actually opens like that. And I'm going to show you just like that. You just hold it properly, and then it will just open just like that. You see the paper's already in it. All you need to do is roll out the paper and close the camera back, just like that. So there's a little bit of paper left here that's coming out, and that's quite fine. When you put the new roll of paper, make sure it's on the right side, actually rolling out towards the exit, because if it's on the wrong side, it will not print. So that's something to really be careful with. They do say there's a selfie mirror there if they want to be taking selfies. In my opinion, the mirror is not really, yes, it will be able to, I can see myself in that little mirror there. It's a really tiny dot mirror. Yes, I can see myself there. Yes, I can probably frame my face, but it's not a mirror where I'm going to be able to see exactly the expression I'm doing or I'm making, obviously. So let's turn it back on. Perfect. Now it's on, and I'm going to go on to pictures, so photos, and press OK. And as soon as I do that, I know it's really hard to see because the focus is not there, but check this out. That's the screen right there. That's what it looks like when I press, and this button right here is the button I would press to basically snap the picture, right? There is a little flash as well on top as well here, and yeah, let's go and take a picture. Let's see what quality we can get. So, and I'm gonna smile. Perfect. Didn't ask for anything else. It's started to print right there. Look at that. So I do have the option of taking down the time, the date, and things like that. If I wanted to take that out of the display, I can do that. And I'm assuming you just rip it just like that. And check this out. I have my little picture. I know it's hard to see because it's not focusing properly, but you can imagine. Of course, this is thermal paper. This is not going to be a colored, crazy, super detailed, but for thermal paper, I'm quite impressed. It's the quality, the DPI is pretty cool, but I mean, obviously this is for kids just to have fun, to kind of be part of the family, kind of like create their little memories. I would see this like creating stickers and creating like little emojis and things like that for them to have, like, you know, maybe put that in a book, in a travel book, or maybe a journal. That would be ideal. They do have filters when you're in video mode. So I'm going to go ahead and do video mode right now because I want to try. So let's go video mode. There we go. Now I'm on video mode. And yeah, full HD, 1080p. It recognizes the let me start filming right there. I'm going to show you exactly. I'm going to turn it up just like that. Perfect. And I'm going to stop. So now that I stopped, I'm going to start the playback. Let's go back and start the playback. It is incredibly intuitive. Obviously, you want this for kids because it's so easy. And look at that. I've got my movie right there. I'm going to press OK. And with audio, very cool. I mean, this thing is so easy to use. It is really well made. I mean, it's solid. It is a plastic kind of like gadget kind of camera, but of course that's what you want. You don't want anything that's going to be, you know, hard edges and things like that. It's all very rounded. It's a beautiful little camera. It's got an f2.4 lens as well, so it's really nice to be able to kind of have like the best type of light or the best type of image quality depending on the light that you get, obviously. And the f-stop is a 4.3 millimeters. So of course, you know, it's a wide angle enough, and a really nice, and it's got a 16x zoom as well. So you can actually zoom with this thing. I think this is great. I think the fact that you have this printable kind of little Polaroid type camera, I think is great. I think the way that it's geared toward kids with the games, the MP3s, the videos, the filters, I think it's going to be a lot of fun. And man, what a great value as well. I highly recommend it.